Imagine embarking on what was supposed to be an 8-day mission to the International Space Station, only to find yourself stranded in space for nearly a year. This is the reality for NASA astronauts Sunita Suni Williams and Barry Butch Wilmore. Their journey began on June 5, 2024, when they launched aboard Boeing's Starliner spacecraft, a flagship project designed to transport astronauts to and from the ISS. Boeing's Starliner was developed as part of NASA's Commercial Crew program, aimed at revitalizing human spaceflight capabilities in the United States. After years of development, testing, and setbacks, the spacecraft finally made its first crewed flight. However, shortly after launch, problems began to arise. The Starliner experienced thruster failures that raised serious concerns about its safety and reliability. Initially scheduled to return after 8 days, Williams and Wilmore docked at the ISS on June 6th. Their mission was to conduct scientific experiments, perform maintenance, and support various research projects. However, as days turned into weeks, their return was postponed indefinitely due to ongoing issues with the Starliner. NASA officials have now indicated that they could remain aboard the ISS until February 2025, a situation that is unprecedented in modern space exploration. NASA's Associate Administrator, Ken Bowersox: "We are currently evaluating multiple options for their return. Safety is our top priority, and we are committed to ensuring that they come home safely." As the situation unfolded, NASA began exploring the possibility of using SpaceX's Crew Dragon as a backup for the astronauts' return. SpaceX has successfully completed multiple crewed missions to the ISS, making it a reliable option. This would mean that Williams and Wilmore might have to watch as the Starliner returns to Earth empty, while they would return on a SpaceX flight instead. NASA has outlined 3 potential plans for their return. 1. Return on Starliner, if the spacecraft can be deemed safe after further evaluations. 2. Return on SpaceX, leaving 2 seats vacant on the upcoming Crew 9 mission in September, allowing for a quick return. 3. Split return, utilizing both Crew 8 and Crew 9 missions to bring them back at different times, ensuring that both astronauts can return safely. Boeing has faced mounting pressure as the Starliner program has been plagued by setbacks. The company reported a staggering $125 million loss on the Starliner program, adding to the $1.1 billion in previous losses. These financial strains have raised concerns about Boeing's ability to fulfill its commitments to NASA and the future of the Starliner program. Despite the uncertainty surrounding their return, Williams and Wilmore have remained active aboard the ISS, conducting vital research and testing systems. They have ample supplies and continue to contribute to ongoing scientific missions. Their work includes studying the effects of microgravity on human health, which is crucial for future long-duration space missions. The public has been closely following this extraordinary situation. social media platforms have erupted with discussions, memes, and support for the stranded astronauts. Many people express their admiration for the astronauts' resilience and dedication to their work, even in such challenging circumstances. As NASA navigates this complex situation, the fate of these two astronauts hangs in the balance. Will they return on a Boeing Starliner, or will SpaceX come to the rescue? One thing is certain: the eyes of the world are watching as this extraordinary saga unfolds in the vastness of space. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story and all things related to world news and weekly roundups. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest.